It is Saturday morning and we are heading out from where we camped last night. We did find a decent spot and it poured on us all night. I mean, we basically just built up the fire as big as we could and created a giant shelter of canopies and tarps and whatever we could do and just hunkered down underneath it. So that was fun. And then it rained all night and everything's soaking wet right now. So
some more trails. We talked to some locals. The mechanic that we took Derek's Jeep, aka Larry's Jeep, to get everything welded back up, gave us kind of, hey, go check out this spot. You guys will fit in your Jeep, so it can get pretty gnarly. So we'll see what we get into today. More of the unknown stuff. So stay tuned.
Red hot sun beating down on my neck again, and that's always when I remember the summers we had, oh, way back then, that I can't forget. Pack a bag and head on south to a border town, smiles all around, no cares of where and when, we're just getting in the groove. And sometimes I wish I could relive all the summer nights that we spent. Take me back to margarita shots.
Road and off-road, so we want to go left.
We are in a new trail system, same area, just different trails. Don't know where they go. Whole concept of this is the unknown. We just picked up a tree, moved it, then crawl underneath of it because we had extra room, so no chainsaw on that one. Now we're about to go down a steep ass hill, so.
Long summer nights, kissing senoritas, parties by the ocean, bars is never closing, hearts ran wild in this paradise, hoping we were free. It's a matter of fact, take me back. Trouble, man, every now and again in that crowd. We were the love 'em and leave 'em in, hoping nobody else found out. And sometimes I wish I could relive all the summer nights that we spent. Take me back to margarita shots, good tequila, long summer nights, kissing senoritas, parties by the ocean, bars is never closing, hearts ran wild in this paradise, hoping we were free. As a matter of fact, take me back.
Are those trail rated? Yeah? Yeah, is that like taking a moped in the woods?
I mean, they're pretty worn out. I'm thinking I might retread them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Get some retreads for them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, screw having boots that are waterproof, right? We'll just, well, you forgot your Jeep, and now you forgot your shoes, so, or your boots.
The boots were in the Jeep. Look, I was like, you guys were like, you want to go camping? And I was like, yeah, man, we could go get drunk around a fire. And then now we're here, and I'm so fucking confused as to why there's Jeeps.
You're confused.
Yeah, there's too much mud for this this small boy. I need to get back to the safety of civilization. I have to poop.
go up first, and then that way he'll let me know?
It goes to the right. Looks pretty wide to the right.
Should we hang back and let you get up at first, or go?
Come on.
All that hard work clearing that trail.
She was trying to.
So would you say that that would be paradise right there for Dory? Was that?
Oh yeah, it was so overgrown. It was coming in both windows on either side.
How many? She's like, I'm tired. I'm tired.
So many branches.
So many.